Just imagine, every year hundreds of thousands of used tires are simply discarded as waste. Yet these very same tires could serve as the foundation for a strong long-term business. Today, as the number of vehicles is increasing manifold across the world, especially in India, the amount of waste tires is also increasing at the same rate, posing a major challenge to the environment. However, if approached correctly, this problem can be transformed into a remarkable opportunity. Tire recycling is a business model that not only converts waste material into useful products, but also contributes significantly to reducing environmental pollution. This is not a venture that promises overnight success. Rather, for those who engage in it with patience and careful planning, it can evolve into a sustainable and enduring business enterprise. So in today's video, we are going to provide you with information on how to start a tire recycling business, along with explaining the key factors you need to consider. So don't miss watching this video till the end. So come on, let's get started. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Market potential of the business. Talking about the market, the rapid growth of vehicles in India is driving a huge demand for them, especially in small towns and tier 2 cities. Industry estimates indicate that hundreds of thousands of tires are discarded annually, and their proper disposal remains a major challenge. Also, the government is intensifying recycling and sustainability-related activities, and this sector is now slowly emerging as an organized sector. At a basic level, tires are ground up and turned into rubber chips or crumb rubber. These materials are extensively utilized across a diverse range of industries, including construction, road paving, flooring, and the installation of artificial turf for sports grounds. Right now, this industry still has strong long-term potential for people who have deep understanding of how the business works. Investment overview. Now here's the important part. How much investment is required for this recycling business? Compared to small-scale businesses, tire recycling is a commercial undertaking characterized by relatively higher initial entry costs. The cost of setting up a simple tire shredder for a small or medium-sized enterprise can range from a minimum of 30 lakhs to 1 crore rupees, including costs for equipment, site and installation. Furthermore, electricity, labor wages and maintenance costs, these become your main monthly expenses. Therefore, entering this sector without proper planning is not advisable. Instead, it is best to first gain a thorough understanding of the market and then gradually expand the business. Licenses and permits for the business. Next are the licenses required for this business. First of all, as the first step to establishing your business identity, you will need to register your company under the MSME or Udyam scheme. Also, your company must be duly approved by the Pollution Control Board. If you want to hire employees, you also need to obtain a factory license. GST registration is mandatory for generating invoices and fulfilling your tax obligations. Additionally, since tires are highly flammable materials, a fire safety certificate is essential. Finally, depending on your geographical location, it is mandatory to obtain a business license from the local municipality or panchayat. This should be done with great care, as going through this entire licensing process can take a long time. Space requirement. In this industry, choosing a suitable location is very important because you need a platform that is suitable for factory-scale operations. Small-scale operations can be conducted within an area ranging from 2,000 to 5,000 square feet. Typically, such units can be established in the suburban areas of major cities or within designated industrial estates. The accessibility of the chosen location is critical. The site must be situated in a manner that facilitates the easy ingress and egress of cargo trucks. Furthermore, given that the machinery utilized here requires continuous operation, a stable and reliable supply of electricity and water is absolutely essential. Adequate ventilation and appropriate safety clearances, especially for processes that generate excessive heat, must be strictly considered. Get raw materials. One positive aspect of this industry is that raw materials, especially used tires, are usually readily available. However, ensuring a consistent supply is crucial. You can make deals with garages, tire shops, transport companies, and scrap metal dealers. In the early stages, you need to personally develop your contacts and establish trust with your distributors. As the business expands, the supply chain naturally stabilizes. Transportation costs can sometimes be a factor, so it is preferable to source raw materials from nearby locations. For long-term success, maintaining a steady flow of raw materials is essential. Required machines. Friends, choosing machinery depends on your specific business model, specifically whether you want to do just basic shredding or engage in advanced processing. A basic setup typically utilizes a tire cutter, a shredding machine, and a granulation machine. These machines can be manual, semi-automatic, or fully automatic, and their prices vary depending on their capacity. You may source suppliers from local Indian manufacturers or through online platforms such as IndiaMart. However, before purchasing any machine, it is important to check for the availability of demonstrations and technical support. Recycling process. Friends, this process looks like a simple idea, but is actually comprised of a variety of unique steps in a defined ongoing process. The first step is, used tires are picked up and cleaned to remove dirt and debris from the surface of the tires. The tires are then sent to a shredder, which breaks them down into small pieces. A magnetic separator is then used to remove the steel wires, which is a valuable byproduct. The rubber pieces are then passed through a rubber granulator to make them even smaller and passed through until they become crumb rubber or a fine powder. The final product is then sorted by size and then packaged. Mechanical efficiency and quality control are crucial at every step of this process. Marketing strategy. In this business sector, marketing is crucial, but this is where most people make mistakes. So first, you can directly approach various industries such as footwear manufacturers, construction firms, and flooring companies as potential clients. Business-to-business dealings are prevalent in this field. Therefore, building strong professional relationships is essential. Listing your products on online marketplaces like IndiaMart and Trade India can also prove highly beneficial. Since some buyers prefer to inspect samples before committing to a purchase, providing samples is an effective way to build trust and credibility. Consistent and sustained marketing efforts are key to securing long-term clientele. So friends, tire recycling is a business where patience, planning, and proper execution are crucial. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. However, for those who take it seriously and build it step by step, it can evolve into a stable long-term business. And this video is intended for educational purposes only, and the results of any business venture depend on factors such as location, investment, and execution. Before getting started, please ensure you conduct your own thorough research and make decisions only after proper planning. So if you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.